Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to color only one pixel in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop. Then I already opened to this image. Simply hold Ctrl space, then zoom in. Hold space, then move your mouse cross anywhere. Select the brush tool. Again select brush tools. See this pencil tool. Click pencil tool and selection size on px or on pixels. Then press enter. Select any color. Example, use color red. Then color on pixels. Apply the same process anywhere. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.